about the Supreme Court of Canada ruling and your reaction, your initial reaction to this?
Well, the Government of Canada obviously is concerned about the ruling, and we'll be looking at the ruling very closely, and we'll be looking at all of the options that might exist to ensure that we continue to protect our communities, protect those who are actually involved in that field, and of course look at ways to make sure that the criminal element don't take advantage of this. And
I take it you're disappointed, your government is disappointed in it.
I personally, having worked in the police service and having worked on these kinds of cases for many years, I personally am disappointed, Larry. I worked with a lot of different girls who, were it not for the police having the ability to actually have a reason to take them aside and chat with them, and they would not have received the help that they've received. The resources that they sometimes are referred to come as a result of police investigations, and those charges give the police the ability to actually talk to those girls. So I personally, from a voice of experience and a voice of someone who cares intimately about these women who are more often than not exploited, am disappointed. But the government has not said that. The government has said they're concerned, but they have to review the decision. Right. But we remain a government that believes that decriminalizing prostitution is not in the interest of our families and not in the interest of protecting these vulnerable persons, and we want to protect them. We want to make sure that they are safe, and this is a concern.
But you also have 1 year to rewrite the laws.
Yes, we do.
So
yes,
there's
we do.
an opportunity to address some of your concerns there, is it or not?
For sure. There is an opportunity, but for the next year, your guess is as good as mine as to how this is going to affect what happens on the streets of Winnipeg. And these are my neighbors and my family and people I care about, and so this is why I personally am very concerned. Over the next year, it's going to be very interesting to see how this plays out.